Welcome to another video to Siki Garage. Today we're gonna go test the 8.8 on the Supra, and Papote is gonna test his 8.8 too, which he already tested out. But yeah, we're gonna test the independent rear suspension in here. We're gonna go launch it, and Papote is gonna go, and then we have Elben also just got here. He's gonna go with us. He's gonna take the car, take the tools, and then we are gonna go. Papote, you see him right there, he's thinking really hard if he wants to go or not, just because it's like
only 100.
It's like 100 degrees and it feels like 110.
Yeah.
So, but we are about to leave. I mean, I'm not really tripping just because I got AC and this guy has AC. This guy doesn't, but he's working on it right now. What are you missing? Just the compressor?
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. I know. So like, yeah, so we have about a 45-minute drive to the track, and so let's get at it. We stop at the pump, put some E85, and then we have Papote. He don't put gas like a regular person. Look where he put gas at. Because of YOLO, right?
And it's black, it's not yellow. This is pump gas, son.
And then look at that. That's no pump gas.
Oh. Yeah, no, don't look at that, bro.
What? What happened with your pump gas? You don't need pump. You don't need nothing else.
That's an oxygen tank.
Yeah, oxygen. Yeah. We're gonna be racing in the jet ski, right? Yeah, right. Well, you guys saw we blew the tires, but not only that, we broke the shifter again. So now we're gonna go with this, and we're gonna make it happen.
You gotta kick it up.
Mira, Papote, so ¿qué pasó con el Ferrari?
No quiere nada de eso.
No quiere, he don't want to race.
No, he don't want
What did we tell him?
You wanna go by yourself or you wanna go run?
He said, and then what he say?
I'm gonna race the GTR.
Yeah, you're gonna go race the GTR. Yeah. I didn't go race the GTR. All right, the second pass, we blew the tires again. You see right there, 2-3, we blew them, let go, hit it again, but it trapped 127 miles. So, but on a horrible launch. I mean, the launch wasn't bad, it's just that it didn't hook anything. So now we're gonna let Papote go until B gets here. And once B gets here, he's gonna see what's going on to see if we can retard the timing or do something to get the launch better.
Trailblazer finally gets there, 1723 at 83 miles an hour. Let's go with that. Right. But you jumped on that. No, I didn't want to.
Dale para frente.
I got $1 on the tester. Yeah, $1 on the tester. All right, folks. Get the money out, folks. We're going to do a little study here. Mazda RX 13 That just sounds, yeah.
That doesn't sound like
That's not a rotary. That's not a rotary. That is definitely not a rotary.
Is that a 2J in that car?
That's a 2J. Automatic?
I'm losing my dollar to this guy, aren't I?
2J automatic right there, baby.
I still got my dollar on the test, so I got to take that.
It's got a little sound break in it, maybe a little niceness in it. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
I'm about to lose my dollar back on the test.
Yeah, I think so.
That's beautiful. Papote, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. 12-0 at a 111. That's beautiful. The master showed up right now.
Oh, this fucking guy.
Yes. Yes. People gotta know, bro. Because we're a team. We don't do this shit by ourselves.
That's right.
Alright, so I don't know what's all that. I think this is the launch. Alright, so, and this is the whole pass. So what's your game plan for this pass, Papote?
Blow it up.
Blow it up. What do you think Supra is gonna do now?
Well, it'll be good. I don't know about that.
B came to the rescue. Oh. ¿Dónde está el venoso?
No, dude.
It probably would be. Hey, let's show people your helmet. Look at this helmet, man. Yeah, Pote Nitro. He likes that gift I made him. Yes, sir.
Tighten up the tires a little bit. Off and away. 1237 on the right. It's gonna come around mine.
So that last pass I couldn't record it. I forgot to turn the camera on, so I didn't record the last pass. But just so I can resume the whole day. The car never gripped. The times that it gripped, the two-step was too low. What I'm assuming is that it needs better. It's not transferring the weight. My rear shocks are too stiff. But at the end of the day, the 8.8 kit did hold. You know, it didn't break. You know, with the I'm pretty sure with the Lexus one, the way I launched it, the whole nine would have broken. So it is a in a way a successful night because we were able to drive it home and whatnot. So we'll be back next week. I'm gonna do some stuff to the rear end, the suspension and stuff, and I'm gonna do some tweaking on the computer for launching, little things like that. But other than that, I'm really happy. I gotta fix the shifter too. That thing broke, so that's cool. So nothing. Everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you to Papote. Thank you to B and Inti and other people that went there. Yellow and also thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next video.